In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock. Then tap on alarm icon at the bottom left corner, and before creating a new one, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select settings. Now you can adjust all of those however you want to, and when you finished, click on additional alarm settings to manage all of those as well. When you're ready, go back. Now to create new alarm, use this plus at the bottom right corner. Then set up an hour at the top. If you want to use this alarm only once, you can enable option called delete after goes off to get rid of it right away. If you want for it to repeat, click on repeat section and apply the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you wish to choose custom, you can click on it and select the days of the week manually. Then save them by hitting OK. Go back, tap on ringtone and select one of those options like fireflies, or tap on all ringtones at the bottom. Then click on pre-installed ringtones on the right. And to pick any song from your device and set it up, use this plus at the bottom right corner. Then click on one of those sound sources. Click on the song that you wish to add and save it thanks to this check mark at the bottom left corner. Then to apply it, click on apply next to it and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also apply one of those melodies the same way. Now you can tap on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to turn it off or on. And last but not least, tap on label to label your alarm. Then hit set. And to discard this alarm, click on this X at the top left corner. To save it though, tap on the check mark at the top right one. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To make some changes, click on it, tap on additional on the left and change wherever you want to. Then click on the same check mark. If you want to switch off your alarm, use blue switcher next to it and tap on one of those options. You can switch it back on by hitting on the same now gray switcher. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm, just hold it and click on delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!